where a 15-year-old girl gang-raped by 29 people, including 2 minors, over the course of 9 months near Mumbai. The police have revealed these horrific details of this crime. Now, following the girl's complaint, 24 accused have been arrested, 2 of the boys detained as well. And like we said, many of the accused here are also minors, and we still wait to hear more updates on this story. Let's cut across to Saurabh Gupta now joining us with the very latest. Saurabh, disturbing numbers to start with on this story. What more do we know?
Well, according to the police, a case has been registered at the Manpada police station in Thane district. This is, of course, in the Dombivli area. Now, according to the police, the complainant, the victim, who is, of course, a minor herself, came to the police station and lodged a complaint saying that she has been raped multiple times between January 2021 and September 2021. And she named several people in that complaint, about 29 people. And the police say in initial investigations, as per the victim's complaint, the survivor's complaint, it seems that somebody she knew was the first one, to rape her. And then, of course, she, some sort of video or a photograph was filmed or made. And then based on that, others blackmailed her and also raped her. That's the case that's come to light in the police investigation based on the victim's complaint. The victim is, of course, undergoing treatment at a hospital in the Kalwa area of Thane. But apart from that, the details are that the accused are from the area of Dombivli, and the police have made several arrests, 24 to be precise, over the last 24 hours. As soon as the girl's complaint was lodged, the police got onto the job to investigate and to make arrests, and they've done that. What we're also being given to understand by sources is that 2 minors are amongst those who have been also picked up in connection with this horrific crime that seems to be, now coming out. Now, obviously, the police also say that most of the people, or at least, some of the accused, were known to the victim. And that's, of course, the sad state, with crimes against women. In many cases, the perpetrators of the crimes are known to the victims, and that seems to have been the case here as well. More investigations are going on. The DCP of the area, Dattatreya Kalare, has, given a statement and said that investigations are on. And as soon as the victim's complaint reached the police, they formed a team and got onto the job. And in around 24 hours, they managed to nab almost all of the accused. But again, a shocking crime. Now, of course, the BJP has also hit out at the government over this, hoping to make a political impact on this, saying that the government is not serious about women's safety. There's also been a letter war between the chief minister and the governor. The governor, of course, also going on ahead to ask a special session of the assembly. The chief minister saying that the police are acting as soon as possible. In the Sakinaka case, they've acted immediately, nabbed the accused. In this case too, they've also actually nabbed the accused. And this morning, a Samna editorial also hit out at the governor for politicizing cases that have been happening in Maharashtra, while turning a blind eye to crimes against women in other states, specifically BJP-ruled states. So while these crimes continue, unfortunately, it's also being politicized. And that's, of course, the unfortunate part. But in this case, the police say they've nabbed. But again, this is, of course, a case that's within, outside the jurisdiction of the Mumbai police. But one of the things that, activists on the ground have been pointing out is that the Shakti bill, that needs to be passed soon. That was that is, of course, a bill, that has been formulated on the lines of the Disha Act in a neighboring state. And the police say that they've also, in Mumbai, specifically the Mumbai police have set up Nirbhaya squads to actually prevent such cases. But in this case, this particular case that we're talking about, the perpetrators or the alleged perpetrators of the crime were actually known to the survivor who's undergoing treatment at hospital. So in such cases, of course, the police say that they've acted as soon as they could, and they've arrested most of the accused, including minors, and the survivor also in this case is a minor.